Hi friends, I'm looking at this house right now. It is a damaged house, even though the exterior doesn't look as bad, but the inside it's pretty bad. The neighborhood seems kind of okay. It's a lower middle income neighborhood. Let's go inside and see what we can estimate and if we can make some money out of this. Okay, what we have here is a lot of sheetrock damage. It looked like you're gonna have some roofing. I see water stain on the floor, and a lot of the house is gutted. You can see the staircase. The flooring is bad. Basically, you have both bathrooms in here. It seemed like it still have electrical wiring and it might be usable, but everything else, it has major roof damage up on top. Probably have to replace a lot of plywood and new roofing. And of course you see everything is gutted. The floor plan is pretty decent. You have a 2-story, and it's a 3-bedroom upstairs, and I think the master is downstairs. We're gonna go downstairs in a little bit. So you're gonna need major renovation here. Basically everything. You can keep at least some of the frame and some of the here you have the den with the fireplace, with the brick fireplace that look pretty nice. It's probably best to just remove all the sheetrock, the old sheetrock, and completely replace new, so that you have a more perfect or uniform look to it. And all the flooring, we probably have to take it out and replace with new one. And this is here the kitchen here, and this is your dining room area here. Okay, the foundation look like it's pretty even, it's pretty solid. The house is raised up about 2 inches above ground, so and it looks pretty solid. So they're asking $119,000 for this house, and looking at it, I think we're gonna probably spend around $150,000 at least to make it new and nice again. And I estimate that the market value for this is gonna be about 350, around that range. So now keep in mind, when we're negotiating, we always go down on the price. We never minimum. I always ask for 20%, 30, 40, 50%, just to see what they say. It doesn't hurt to ask and see what they come back with. The reason that I like these houses, these ugly beat up houses, because there are less competition. They are only the ones that have serious cash or serious expertise usually bid on these houses. Because if you are looking for a nicer damaged home, you are competing with first-time home buyer that think that they can repair these things, and so there's a lot more bids and negotiation. Here you have two AC condenser. It looks like it's still usable, but we have to check it out since it's been sitting here for so long. But there's a good chance that I'm gonna put a bid in this and see what they say. Let me know what you think. Would you do this house or not? And what kind of price do you think you would pay for it? Anyway, let me know your comment below, and I'll see you next time.